Hey, and welcome back to yet another edition of Oily Time with Jax. Glad you're here. I'm continuing on picking an oil and showing you cool DIY hacks you can do with them. Because why? It's fun to ditch and switch, and guess what? It doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. You can actually save a ton of money, go chemical free, and use things that actually work. Yeah, pretty cool. We're covering the gamut here. We're doing body, face, house and home, all kinds of remedies that you can use all over the place. So this week I'm going to talk about lavender. And yes, I do want to hear your DIY hacks that you have that I haven't covered. Let's share information and let's get education out there, right? Because it's all about getting plant-based products in your home and chemicals out of your home, right? Very important. Now remember to go to the person who sent you here if you need more information or need to request another oil from them. Or if you don't have an oil person, of course, I'm happy to be your oil lady. Yes, I too am a distributor for Young Living, right? Love it, and I love to educate. I love doing these videos as well. So if you are happy with what I'm doing, please hit the like button and subscribe and hit that bell. Then you'll get notified every time I put out a new video. And I do want to hear from you. Put your DIY hacks for lavender in the comments below. Let's share. All right, let's get on with lavender. Right, it's not just for calming you down anymore. There's other stuff you can do with it. So I love lavender. I used to not like lavender at all, and it's really grown on me. Plus, when you're using a pure therapeutic grade lavender, you can't go wrong, right? So what we can do here, we're going to do a bath soak. Some of you know this, some of you don't. Here's the recipe. You're going to put 1 cup of Epsom salts and 1 cup of quick oats. Yep, we're going to do an oatmeal soak, right? And you're going to use 5 drops of frankincense, 10 drops of tea tree oil, 15 drops of lavender, and we're going to use half a cup of baking soda, right? Now, if you don't want the frankincense in there, or you don't have any on hand at the moment that you want to make this lavender soak, use thieves, right? You can use thieves. That's okay in substitute for the frankincense. I will have the recipe at the end of this for you, so you can just pause it there. You don't have to stop right now and write that down, okay? I'll make that easy for you because this one's a little bit, it's not complicated. It's just got, you know, other parts to it. It's not just lavender, right? This soak is fantastic. Now, what you're going to do is take your quick oats and you're going to grind them down. You can use like a magic bullet or whatever you have in your home for food processing, and just get it to more like a flour powdery substance, right? Obviously we're doing these dry, and then you're going to mix all this together with the Epsom salts and the baking soda and then your oils, and put that in your bath. Now, to stop floaties, you can put it in a pair of pantyhose. If you put a run in one, just use the other leg and just tie that up, right? I always run my pantyhose. I just stopped wearing them. Like I would go to the car and there's a run. Anyway, so yeah, I have a few lying around. And I don't know why I keep them. I do. I don't know. I need to throw stuff out more often, but in this case, it actually worked out well because I can actually use them. Or a sock, of course. Put that in your bathtub. It'll stop the oatmeal floaties from floating around your bath, and you're still getting the benefits of the lavender soak, right? And the oatmeal, which is really good for your skin. You're going to feel amazing at the end of this. So again, the recipe is going to be right here. All right, next up, we can take a look at other uses for lavender. Now, you can take a few drops of lavender and add it to your conditioner. By a few drops, I mean 1 to 3. Put that in your conditioner, right, for your hair, and give it a good shake, right? And you're going to feel the difference in your hair. It's going to look really shiny and luxurious. It's just going to really make a difference. Plus your hair will smell nice. You can actually make a soothing skin serum with lavender. Use a few drops of that, a few drops of eucalyptus, and some coconut oil or the V6 vegetable oil from Young Living, and just make a nice little serum for yourself and put it on your hands or your face, wherever you need it, and it's going to smooth your skin out and feel amazing, right? Eucalyptus is actually really good for that. It's a cooling essential oil, and lavender is a healing essential oil. So you're going to get the best of both worlds there, and it's quick and easy to make, right? We're saving money, and we're doing good for our skin. Another thing you can do is take 2 to 3 drops of lavender, put it in your palms, rub your palms together, cup over your nose, breathe in deeply 3 times. That's going to create a calming sensation, especially when things get really tense or really crazy because we're back in a routine and summer's over and we're getting into the fall and Christmas period. This would be a really good time to keep lavender on hand, right? It really does help with that calming ability to just chill, right? It really helps with calming you down, like taking your emotions and getting your mind reset so you're in a calmer place. Another thing you can do is put a couple of drops on a tissue and put that in your pillowcase, right? And that way it's not in your face, but it's on your pillow. You put it underneath or wherever you like it. If you like it really strong, put it right there and just fall asleep. Nice, calm, relaxing, drift off to La La Land, right? Good time to use it because things are about to crank up a notch or 5, right? As we go into Halloween, then Christmas. And I love Christmas, and it usually gets pretty crazy for me because I have a billion lights I have to put up and I keep buying more each year. Why do I do it? Because we have 2-year-olds in the neighborhood and they come and dance all over it every year, and it's so cute to watch and I love it, so it makes me really happy to do it. So yeah, I'll be using a lot of lavender during that time period along with Stress Away Blend. Anyhow, I would like to know your uses for lavender, your DIY hacks. Put them in the comments below. Let's share information, right? Information is power, and we can all learn. There's stuff that I don't know that you guys do know, so let's share, okay? And also, if you need to talk more or pick up some of these oils that I've been talking about over the last several videos, talk to the person who sent you here, and if you do not have an oil person, I'm happy to be your oil lady. My website will be right here, okay? So please reach out to me with your ideas. Love to know your tips and tricks. And of course, please, if you like what I'm doing, hit the like button and subscribe and smash that bell. You'll get notifications when I drop another video, and I tend to do them on Wednesdays, and I've called it Wellness Wednesday. Let's ditch and switch the chemicals. Let's use our DIY. Let's make our oils go further and save money while we're doing it, okay? So please reach out to me, and until next time, stay safe and happy oiling.